Mahindra EPC, a 100% subsidiary of Mahindra and Mahindra Group and a leading solar installer in India, introduces Mahindra Advanced Control Unit, MAX. It maximizes PV to DG capacity ratio, making DG power more affordable for small and medium-scale industries. Industries in India have traditionally relied on grid and diesel generators to meet their energy requirements. With increasing cost of diesel and grid tariffs, consumers are now looking for reliable alternatives like solar. For solar to work reliably, it requires a wheeling source, the grid. Solar modules produce DC power, which is converted to grid-synchronized AC power by solar inverters and helps in abating power drawn from the grid. When grid fails, the diesel generator is turned on and acts as a wheeling source of power. Solar inverters start operating in parallel with diesel generators. If solar produces more power than required by the load, excess solar power will be fed back to diesel generator, leading to a complete system shutdown. This limits solar power to 20%. MAX, a proprietary product of Mahindra, which helps in increasing penetration of solar power with diesel generator to 80%. MAX is a cost-effective solution for solar sizes of 15 kW peak and more. It is a vendor and size-agnostic solution. As solar irradiation increases, the power drawn from grid is reduced to 0%. When grid supply fails, MAX starts the diesel generators. The diesel generator will now act as a wheeling source and all the power to plant will be fed by diesel generator. MAX then sequentially powers up solar inverters. To ensure a smooth integration of solar power and power drawn from generator is reduced to 30%. If there is a sudden drop in load demand, MAX reduces solar power coming from inverters and ensuring that diesel generator is operating at its optimal capacity and fuel efficiency. As load increases, the power drawn from the diesel generators increases. MAX senses the load rise, brings back solar inverters to their peak capacity and reduces power drawn from the diesel generators. A sudden cloud can lead to a drastic drop in solar generation. In that case, power is met from diesel generator. As cloud clears, solar increases automatically. When MAX detects availability of grid, it turns off diesel generator and restores power to the plant using the grid. Inverters come in synchronization with grid power and continue normal operation. Typical payback for system can be as low as 2 to 3 years for areas that have high grid tariffs or high diesel consumption. With remote monitoring inbuilt, you can check performance of DG-PV hybrid from any place in the world. Rise with Mahindra Advanced Control Unit.